Damn, fucking Zane's yard.
This hurricane got this damage all stuff.
Look at all this stuff over here. Look at that big ass book.
Holy fudge. That's crazy, man.
Wow, look at that yard.
Dude, crap, man. Yo.
All down the street, too.
Oh my gosh. So what? Yo. I can tell this is a crazy old storm right now.
For the most part, I haven't seen nobody that has a tree on their house. Or like...
Not even me either.
You know,
that's crazy.
the roof is all messed up. I haven't seen nothing like that, which is a great thing.
Yeah, if it wasn't.
Be careful right through there. Crap.
Huh, I wish this neighborhood is okay.
No,
It's not. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I can see why it's not okay now.
Gotta watch for down power lines.
Probably.
Just because that broke into the road and nobody didn't hit nothing.
What just happened here?
Ooh, big ass sticks.
There's so many.
There's so much happening right now.
Yeah, I know.
It's hard to pick out one thing to look at.
This is not what I had in mind when we came out here like this. But now I do.
Got a fence down. This one got ripped open. This
Fudge.
fence got ripped down.
Fudge, man. That thing does get ripped down.
But the house looks good, so.
Yeah, I mean, it looks nice. That's a mess right there. I'll give you that. It looks like a freaking tornado warning when you come out here like this. Freaking crazy. Alright, we're all good. Let me pause this video.
See, these trees were blocking the road earlier. See these?
Fudge, man.
So,
I can see everything.
we wouldn't be able to get past our house because of this right here.
That's crazy. That's the house that we saw. See, I got that shot. Yo! We got flooding over here, boys and girls, coming right at you. Oh, boy. There it is. There's the flooding thing. Oh, fudge. Yo, I never seen that before.
Yeah?
No, not actually.
No, I mean, but see, look, it's flooded over there, too.
Oh, wow.
Where that car is barely not being carried away right now.
If it was, you won't be able to get your car.
Right, you see it? You see the water by the fence?
Yeah, I got that.
The only thing keeping that car is that sidewalk right there.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I could tell. Oh my gosh.
Jerry's a piece of crap.
Jerry's piece of crap. Oh shoot. That's
See, look at the yard there, the water. Look all the way up. Oh my gosh, that one's all the way up to their house.
Yo, I can tell.
Oh, that's all the way up to the garage in the house.
Ooh boy.
Oh shit.
What?
You see that place back there?
No, I didn't see it. Oh my gosh, right, pause it.
Where we heading?
Oh wow. We can't go this way, guys, so we're gonna have to back it up. Fudge my dad and me. You got to be kidding me. Seriously. You actually kidding me? Alright, we're going back. Back it up, back it up, back it up. The floating is right there, boy. You can see it right there. Yep, I got it. Got that shot of it. Yeah, we got that. We got it. We got it.